Ayo, 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 what's up? Baby, fourth shot, back again. Right, probably saw in the title that or I was in the gym for 2 hours. I was in the gym for 5 hours. I was in the gym for 3 hours. I was in the gym for 4 hours. I was in the gym for 10 hours. I was in the gym for 20 hours. I was in the gym for 30 hours. Man, I don't want to hear none of that nonsense. How long you were in the gym? That's irrelevant. That's irrelevant to me. How long you were in the gym? I want to debunk a little myth, and that is time in the gym does not equal results in the gym. Your time you use to work out is time that equals results. Let me explain the difference. Let's say I go to, let's pick a gym, Planet Fitness. I go to Planet Fitness, right? And I'm there talking, walking around, talking to my buddies, walking back and forth, looking at stuff, trying to talk to other people, eating on my phone, horsing around. I'm doing everything besides picking up equipment or doing any kind of exercise or workout. And I did this for 2 hours. I was in the gym for 2 hours, right? Now, did I work out for 2 hours? In the story I told you? Obviously not. I didn't work out for 2 hours. I'll spend most of the 2 hours talking. Honestly, for me, when I work out, I only spend 30 minutes tops. I got other things to do. I don't want to be in the gym all day. I love working out, but I don't want to be there. I want to spend my whole life in the gym. My workouts go 30 to 40 minutes tops. And this is ways you get in and out the gym faster. Step 1, go in with a plan. You want to go in with the set of exercises you have in mind to do or a lesson plan. You want to map out how you want to do your workouts step by step. Step number 2. Well, this goes to step number 1. You want to get even more complex. But I suggest you do this because it's more effective. You want to map your workouts and keep in mind of the design of the gym. Keep in mind of the design of the gym and how things are put into place in your gym or whatever you work out. On this channel, you work out in our bedroom, so we don't need the gym. I'm sure work out in my bedroom. So, because of
coronavirus.
That's why. So, but even with that, you want to have a plan. Step number 2, you want to carry a bottle of water. You want to carry a bottle of water. This will prevent you from walking back and forth to the water fountain because you're gonna need water a lot when you work out in the gym. You're gonna drink a lot of water. It's encouraged you to drink water in the gym so you won't get dehydrated. You're gonna drink a lot of water, but you want to minimize the amount of trips you make to the water fountain because that right there is wasting precious time you use for other stuff. Remember, time is money. There we go. Yeah. Woo. Another thing you could do at the gym. This one's gonna kind of require you to be an asshole, but you gonna want to tell your friends, yo, all jokes aside, you my people, you cool and all that, but I gotta get this money right here. This money's more important. The 40 minutes, 45 minutes I'm here, or hour I'm here, I don't really want to talk to you. I'll talk to you after I'm done. Tell them that. Don't worry, they're not gonna hate you. They will respect you for that decision. They see that you're there for business. You need business when you're there, and you're not gonna horse around. Those are 3 things that'll help you use your time more efficiently and get out the gym faster. Things that affect the amount of time you spend in the gym, how fast you change into your gym clothes, regular clothes. Usually for me, I just walk in the gym with my gym clothes, or I just walk out of my bedroom with my gym clothes. Thing number 2 that affects the time you spend in the gym, how spaced out your gym is. Walking to certain equipment. Like I say you're doing chest. Let's say chest or legs. I'm gonna say legs. Let's say doing legs. Let's say start at the squat rack. Squat rack is in one place. Let's say that's point A. And let's say point B, you gotta walk about 20 feet to get to point B. See, that distance you're walking is going to affect your time in the gym. It don't affect the amount of time you spend in the gym. Let's say going back and forth. See, that distance you walking, the time you spend walking, that adds up. It adds up, believe it or not. Another thing, the amount of trips you make to the water fountain. That's time you walking back and forth to the water fountain, back to your workout station. That time adds up. It's a ticking. Tick, 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 tick. It's adding up. Another thing that affects the time you spend in the gym. How much time you spend talking to your friends, or texting, or looking around, or just standing there. That affects the amount of time you spend in the gym. One tip that will help a lot. If you're somebody who doesn't want to tell people, don't talk to me and stuff, you're just a nice person. It's just a nice person. Here's another alternative I got for you. Go to the gym early. Go to the gym around 3, 4, 5 in the morning. You know why? Because nobody's there. So you don't have to tell nobody to not talk to you anymore. Because nobody's there to talk to. So now you know the time to work out. got all the time to work out to yourself, you're gonna be out faster. See, I got you, don't worry. Or you get a home gym like I do. I got this bad boy right here. You have a home gym, see everything's close to you and then you're home. So now you have to walk back and forth. Everything is in this vicinity. You can knock out your workouts faster and much more time efficient. That being said, we know the deal. Woo! Woo! Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'ma see you next video.